And sometimes I've found, especially with super glue, with the CA finishes, that it will sometimes it'll melt the not melt. It'll make the paint run. So I'm still testing it out, but I'm finding out that a little can of Aquanet, and I'm sure any can of hairspray will works as a great sealer of the paint, so you can put your finish on over without any worry of the paint becoming liquefied from the oil based paint or oil based finishes or CA that you're putting on. So I'm still testing out, but so far I haven't encountered any problems with hairspray inhibiting the finish, and it seems like it's doing a good job of setting acrylic paint.